right? The N-word, the election that, he didn't like, that he didn't agree with, right? That's who he was referring to.
Yeah.
There was nothing racial about it, but
right.
the mainstream little media spit that and tried to say, no, Trump actually means the N-word, right? The N-word that rhymes with riggers. That's what he was actually saying. It is a racial dog whistle.
The N. Yeah, they thought that it rhymed.
But the mainstream media spit that and tried to say, no, Trump actually means the N-word.
That he means the word
that rhymes with riggers. That's what he was actually saying. It is a racial dog whistle, meaning that Trump wants to go after black people. Right? Which again is hilarious.
False.
Okay,
mendacious.
It really is. Okay?
Untrue.
Right, the N-word that rhymes
the canard
with riggers.
that Trump
That's what he was actually saying.
Was
it
saying
is a racial dog whistle, meaning that Trump wants to go after black people. Right? Which again is hilarious. Okay, it really is. Okay? So I get
the canard that Trump was saying Niggers. That's the canard. That's the lie. That's the narrative. The false narrative. The narrative that they push.
The election that he didn't like, that he didn't agree with. Right? That's who he was referring to.
That word rhymes.
There was nothing racial about
with
it, but
riggers.
The mainstream little media spit that and tried to say, no, Trump actually means the N-word. Right? The N-word that rhymes with riggers.
Yeah.
That's what he was actually saying. It is a racial dog whistle, meaning that Trump wants to go after black people. Right? It's hilarious.
It's a slur.
Okay,
it's
it really is.
Pejorative. That's what the wokies think.
Right? The N-word that
riggers
rhymes with riggers.
is
It's
pejorative. It's a slur.
a racial dog whistle, meaning that
it's
Trump
a racial
wants to go
slur.
after
It's a racial
right?
pejorative.
Which again is hilarious. Okay? Right? The N-word that rhymes with riggers. That's what he was actually saying. It is a racial dog whistle, meaning that Trump wants to go after black people. Right? Which again is hilarious.
Idiotic.
Okay? It really
Stupid.
is.